Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I simplify SAP concepts for you. In this video, we're going to talk about a topic which is essential for all SAP professionals and project managers. How to gather requirements effectively for new change requests or enhancements in SAP. Studies have shown that inadequate requirement gathering is one of the leading causes of project delays and failures. Misunderstandings can lead to costly reworks and dissatisfaction among the stakeholders. So let's get started to understand the steps that we can follow to gather the requirements effectively. The first and the foremost step should be to understand the current business processes. Before you implement any change, you need to have a strong grasp of how things currently work. This means understanding the existing workflows, transactions, and how users interact with SAP system. Then identify all of the relevant stakeholders who will be affected by this change. Involve key users, business analysts, department heads, and anyone who has a stake in the process. Their insights are invaluable. Conduct requirement gathering sessions. This can be done through interviews, surveys, or workshops. The goal is to encourage open communication to understand the real goal behind the requested change. Document all of these requirements very clearly and precisely. Use standardized templates to ensure consistency. Include descriptions, diagrams, and any other relevant information. Then validate and prioritize the requirements. Review the documented requirements with the stakeholders to ensure accuracy. Prioritize them based on the business impact and feasibility. Last but not the least, obtain formal approval. Present the finalized requirements to the decision makers and get the necessary sign-offs. This formalizes the agreement and sets the stage for development phase. Before we wrap up, here are some of the best practices to keep in mind. Use visual aids wherever possible. Maintain open communication. Manage scope creep and document everything. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to gathering new requirements for any new enhancements or change requests in SAP. By following these steps, you will ensure that your project starts on the right foot, stay on track, and deliver value to your organization. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.